Hey guys, today I thought I'd bring you an unboxing experience of a Marfione Custom. Anthony Marfione owns Microtech Knives and also makes Marfione Custom knives. These boxes are pretty sweet. This particular knife is a combat Troodon. You can see it's a double-edged spike grind, DLC two-tone stonewash, and it has an eggshell finished copper top on the handle along with copper ringed hardware, and it is serial number 2. So you'll notice that this box opens, it's got a magnetic catch. You open it up and you have the zipper pouch inside. Inside here you have the declaration of authenticity. It's pretty sweet. It's got a signature. That is a metal plate. Shows you everything about that knife. And then right here you have a little cloth wipe down to keep your knife clean. We'll set that aside and go ahead and open this zipper pouch. You open the zipper pouch and you've got a cloth bag to keep your knife nice and safe. And then inside you'll notice the beauty. This combat Troodon features a copper top with an eggshell pattern. It has copper ringed glass breaker, and on the back you can see combat Troodon, double edge, serial number 002, and then it has the Marfione Custom dagger logo. Made in the USA, 01/2019. The slide trigger, beautiful.